What time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
It's 20 to 1.
4:30.
About 4:15.
It's 10 past 3.
Oh, about 1:30.
10 past 2.
Oh, well, close.
Telling the time in English is easy peasy. Once you know how it works, you can confidently announce the time at any parts of the day or night. In this lesson, you will learn how to tell the time very quickly. The first thing you need to know about telling the time is that we very often use the 12-hour system. The 24-hour system is always used for transport timetables. The 24 hours of the day are divided into two periods called AM and PM. We use AM for the morning and PM for the afternoon and night. For example, 3 AM means 3 o'clock in the morning. 3 PM means 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The way people write the time varies. You could write this way, also this way, or this way. Now let's see how to ask about the time. Here are some phrases you can use when you want to know the time. What time is it, please? Do you have the time? Have you got the right time? What's the time? To ask the time from a stranger, you can say, "Can you tell me what time is it, please?" "Could you tell me the time, please?" Now let's see how to tell the time. To tell someone what the time is, we can say, for example, "The time is 5 o'clock," or more usually, "It's 5 o'clock." To tell the time, you need to know these words. Clock. There are 60 minutes in an hour. 30 minutes is half an hour. 15 minutes is quarter of an hour. Past means after. To means before. Now let's see how to tell the time. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 past 5. It's 10 past 5. It's quarter past 5. It's 20 past 5. It's 25 past 5. It's half past 5. It's 25 to 6. It's 20 to 6. It's quarter to 6. It's 10 to 6. It's 5 to 6. For times around midday or midnight, you can use the expressions midday and midnight instead of the number 12. There is another common way of telling the time in English. For example, for this time, you can say, "It's 3:40. You just read or say two numbers together. For this time, you can say, "It's 11:06. You read 0 as O. Practice makes perfect, so have a go at the following exercise to practice telling the time. What time is it, please? It's 25 past 1. Could you tell me the time, please? It's 25 to 6. Can you tell me what time is it, please? It's 10 to 2. Can you tell me what time is it? It's 1 o'clock. What's the time? It's 12:30. What time is it, please? It's 7:15. Now listen and write the time. It's 4:45. It's 4:45. It's 10 past 10. It's 10 past 10. It's 9:15. It's 9:15. It's 20 to 10. It's 20 to 10. It's 9:45. It's 9:45. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Thanks for watching.